Good day and welcome. I'm going to be answering JAMB 2020 Use of English Past question 11. In the question, choose the option that is opposite in meaning to the word in bold. That is, in the question, I should choose the option that is opposite in meaning to the word that is in bold. Now the question says, our government is making determined efforts to eradicate illiteracy. Our government is making determined efforts to eradicate illiteracy. Now the word in bold here is determined. The word in bold here is determined. So it simply means we are asked to find the word or an option that is opposite in meaning to the word determined and can still suit this sentence. Now to be determined simply means to make a firm decision to do something. To make a firm decision to do something. That is, to make something effective. To make something effective. Now let's look at the meaning of each of the options so we can then choose the answer that is opposite to the word determined. Option A says compulsory. Compulsory. Now compulsory simply means something that is done because of law or rule. That is based on rule or law, it must be done. That thing must be done. That is what compulsory simply means. Then B says ineffective. Ineffective. Now ineffective simply means not achieving what you want to achieve. When something is ineffective, it simply means that that thing is not able to achieve what it wants to achieve. Then option C says innocent. Innocent here simply means not guilty of a crime or not having done anything wrong. Let me just say not guilty. And then the last one, which is unreliable. Unreliable simply means something that cannot be trusted, that is not trusted or depend on. Now looking at our option, you will see that the option B here, which is ineffective, is the actual opposite of the word determined, because according to the statement, they said our government is making determined effort. That is, the government is trying to put effort which will be effective enough to eradicate illiteracy. And the opposite of being effective simply means ineffectiveness. That means the effort will not be effective to eradicate illiteracy, but the government is trying to give effective efforts to eradicate illiteracy, and that is what this determined here is standing for. So the opposite of this determined, as used in this context, is actually ineffective, which is option B. So that is the answer to the question. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.